The Imo State government has commiserated with the people of Eziosu community in Oguta local government area over the bomb explosion that claimed 3 lives. The Deputy Governor, Gerald Irona, who visited the scene of the explosion, called on residents of the state to be vigilant while handling metal. Our correspondent Joseph Oliver has details in this report. This is the scene of the bomb blast which claimed 3 lives in Eziosu Oguta local government area. Eyewitnesses said the incident occurred when one of the scavengers was trying to bend the metal. The Commissioner of Police, who led other senior security operatives to the scene, explained in details of what led to the explosion.
Preliminary investigation, we discovered that the explosion was caused by UXO. That is how it is called. It's a military ordnance. The person, the man, I think is going his legitimate business. He did not know it, because if he has known it, he wouldn't have begun to keep it and begin to put hammer on it. But because he did not know it, he was ignorant of it. He was beating it with hammer, trying to compress it, as they used to do. Eventually, something went off, and he no longer lived to tell the remaining story.
The call here is for everybody, including myself, to be careful with iron. Particular call is on people on this business, scrap iron. Your Excellency, I already arranged meeting with scrap iron union in the state so that we show them sample of what we have been detonating from this type of incident, for them to be careful while dealing with their business.
For the Deputy Governor, the site of the bomb blast was an eyesore, but he called on the deceased families to take heart. He assured them that government will do everything possible to support them.
It is very unfortunate that we lost 3 people doing their legitimate businesses. Unfortunately, they were cut down by the explosive. This call brings to fore the call that have been made by several well-meaning citizens that after the Civil War, there is need for the ordinances to be knocked up.
The security operatives agreed that a meeting of Scavengers Association of Nigeria will be called to sensitize them on the dangers of dealing with metals.